Okay, so circuit number 4, like I said, feeding these two fixtures, and they're controlled from occupancy sensor. Everybody got that? Okay, let's go back to CAD. When you go to CAD, guys, I want to start with relay number 1. I started from the upper left corner. So this is relay number 1. This area is going to be, oops, okay, here you go. You should be able to edit this. There you go. If you double click on this area, guys, double click on the text, double click on it, you should be able to get into, there you go. When you go there, it says the first one, what relay is that? It has to be relay number 1. What circuit? Circuit number, what did we say circuit number what? 4, right? And then which room? What was the room, the bathroom room? Oops. One more time, click on it. What was the room, 113, Karen? Okay, 113. Okay, done. That's it. Now we need, did you guys see what I did? So this is relay number 1, circuit number 4, and room 113. And what we're missing here is the type of the occupancy. I don't know why we're missing it. The type of control. So I would like you guys, let me see if we can, I would like you to add another column, maybe. Let me see what we can do to add this one, copy. And you guys will edit this one slightly. Let me see, copy to a clip, copy it, and right in here, paste it, paste. And I want to go, instead of room right here, guys, I want to call this one control. Type of control, type on it, control. Control. And then you can modify this. So what I would like you guys to modify this to add a control here, right here. So under control, and we can copy this to a clip, copy with a paste point. Here's my paste point. Right click, paste it with paste, and here's my paste right in here. So the control is occupancy sensor, OC. You guys see what I did here? So and let's change this one into, what type of color is this? What type? This is EPS, on layer EPS. Let's make this one in layer EPS too. It looks like in layer EPS. There you go. Is it by layer? Okay. So what I would like you guys to add is the control type, and then you extend that table and make it, now it's an occupancy sensor. That's what the control type for this relay. Any comments, guys? Any questions? So we have a relay 1, circuit number 4 feeding it, occupancy sensor controlling it, and the room that's being controlled is 14. You guys you can extend this. You should be able to. Oops, there you go. We got the circuits. So we got the circuit. We got the occupancy sensor. You can extend these, guys. You know how to extend these. You put your ortho on and just slightly extend it. I'm going to go slightly extend this one and go all the way down to here. And then you do your, oops, why did I do here, Chad? So grab the line and extend the line slightly. There you go. Why am I not? Def point, it's turned off, Chad, duh. There you go. I was turning them off. So extend this one, guys, and cut it, and what we trim and what's not, to make it. I'm gonna make one of it and let you guys manipulate that one. So see what I did, guys? I manipulated that to add another column to it, please. There you go. And you can manipulate it and add it. Just grab from this all the way to this. Oops, not this one, Chad. So add grab it to here. There you go. And then you can do the trimming business. Where's my trim? Stretch. Okay. Okay. Mirrors, I don't know. Haven't. So you're gonna there you go, trim. So you can click on that one, right click, and should be able to trim this. Can you guys see that? You trim them and do the CAD stuff that we did long time ago. Like you guys probably um, forget some of it. So click on that and then trim that little piece. Okay. All right. So you're gonna everybody can see what I'm doing, guys. You're modifying that. The more important than this one is what we're going to be adding into this folder. Okay. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? We know how to do that. Yes, no. Now I'm going to go add another relay, Adam. So this is when you fill this one, control occupancy sensor, guys. What layer is this? This is okay by layer. What's not? Okay. Yes. EPS. Okay. Let me see if I can put it in that particular layer. Okay, and then you can adjust it whatever. The next thing I would like you guys to do is click on this text. It should be the text. Right click on it, copy with a paste point. Click on the paste point, right click again, and paste it. And it looks like you're pasting also the line. So now you're pasting another exactly same stuff that we did. Instead of, guys, same thing, copy with a paste point, click on your paste point, right click, and paste it. So what I'm trying to do, guys, I'm trying to make another line exactly the same. Okay, Adam? Copy with a paste point, click them in. Now let's go modify them. I'm going to go to Revit. Now the second room that I'm going to have, this room, it's circuit number 4 and occupancy sensor, right? In the second bathroom, circuit number 4, occupancy sensor. Okay, so let's go to, so this is relay, then it's click on that, the text, guys. Double click on that text. Now this relay, now it's relay number 2. The circuit continue to be circuit number 4. And what's the room for the female bathroom? Is it 114? The female bathroom? 114. And okay, yeah. And what type of control are we having there? It's occupancy sensor. Can you guys see that? So this is relay number 2, circuit number 4, room number 14, control occupancy sensor. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Just OC, the same thing, occupancy sensor. Here's what, any comments, guys, any questions before I go into the next one? Give you one more example. Let's go to the mechanical room, Adam, shall we? I'm going to go, before you go to the mechanical room, guys, I'm going to go copy this. It looks, you're copying multiple things, but copy with a paste point. Click on this corner as a paste point, right click, paste it, and pick up that paste point. Can you guys see that? As your paste point. Now I have another identical copy. You can extend this baby here. There you go. And then I'm going to copy this one also, the clip. It could have done that better. Copy with a paste point. Always use a paste point so it references you. And paste it with a paste point and click. Can you guys see that? Now I have a third entity to fill. Do you guys see what I'm doing? Instead of typing it, I just copy that text and I keep editing it. Now, I'm going to go to Revit again. All right, so let's go directly into this mechanical room. Let's see what you did here. You have circuit number 5, Matt, right? You have a circuit number 5 here. Everybody can see, guys, Matt has circuit number 5 here for all these fixtures in the mechanical room. What type of switching you have, Matt? Can you see that? You have a high voltage switch that need to be labeled. High voltage switch. Is it low voltage switch? No. It's a high voltage switch, the control. It has to be in a relay. So what's the room number, Adam? That room is 116. So let's go circuit number 5. Now let's go minimize this. Click on this, my friends. This is relay number what? Anybody can give me? Relay number 3. Circuit number 5. Room number, what was it? 17? 116. 116, okay. What type of control that we're using there? This is switch. Switch, just WS. Switch. If it's low voltage switch, put LVSW, switch. Can I have thumbs up, Chad? That's how we're going to fill this schedule. Is it hard, guys? So you're going to walk right through your schedules in Revit and fill this relay. Matt, does it make sense? Yep.
Yeah, just from trying to build the next column, my colors are kind of up now when I copy and paste. So just not worried about it.
We'll take care. I'll take care of the color for you, but it's the concept. Don't worry about the color. Type whatever you type in, and we'll work with the layers, guys. We'll make sure the layers are the same and what's not. Do you guys hear me? Because the layers right now has to be the same, but we'll talk about the layers. Okay, if you guys can change, it seems it's by color here. If you change this one to by layer, click on that one by layer. See what I mean? I think that was the issue with that baby. Click on that. Can you guys see right here? Property says color 15. We don't want color 15. Make it by layer so it shows like the others. Everybody can see that? Property, color, make it by layer. Okay, so it starts to look like the others. If you need help with that one, we will work with the layers. The color right now, I don't know what this is. This by layer. They're all coming by layer here. By layer.
You can't change that. It's part of the block.
Part of the block that comes.
Yeah. So if you
Yeah.
copy it there, then it should drag it in.
We can explode it and do a couple of things. What I'm interested, guys, for the time being, if you can get it in a format like this, when we import it, we can manipulate it in terms of layers and what's not. But everybody understand the concept. Now, you from left, upper left to bottom right of your building, you're going to walk through left to right, all the way to the bottom, and fill the schedule. If you need more room at the bottom here, what do? Copy that bottom, keep adding to it. Do you guys hear me? That's how you're going to fill your schedule, relay schedule. Okay, can I have thumbs up that we know how to fill the schedule before I move to a different topic? Filling schedule, cool. Okay, now do me a favor, save it, go save it, and close this file. And I want you to close the file for one reason. Close the file, okay, and then let's go to back to where the file is located. Did you guys close it? Okay, do me a favor, rename that baby. Now we screwed it up. I'm going to rename it. Instead of lighting, it's actually just relay schedule. So get rid of, so you know it's just relay schedule. Make sure it's only relay schedule, and that's my fault. I apologize. Just make it relay schedule, so you know the only thing there is just a relay schedule. Okay, and then click on something else. So when you want to work on the relay schedule, Karen, you go relay schedule E9. So that's going to be an E9. Cool. Everybody understand how to work on it? Okay, now let's go to the mechanical schedule. Can I go to the mechanical schedule, guys? Right click on the name mechanical schedule, and I want you guys to name it dash E9. Also, this is going to be an E9, so you know where it's going to be located. So when you import it, you're going to be importing that baby where? In E9. Okay, relay schedule is good to go, right? We're going to go to, let's go open the mechanical schedule, shall we? Open the mechanical schedule, please. When you guys are done with the relay schedule, we will import it to CAD, to Revit, I mean. Go open this baby. Okay, continue. All right, so grab this one. Oops, grab this one, put it here. Got our license. Go to the model space. Can you guys see that there is a schedule? What layer is that? Schedule lines. Here's the schedule that you have. Everybody can see that? Z enter, E enter, make sure you have, that's the only thing that you have there. Cool? Now all these schedules could have been filled from Revit, guys. But let's just do them, fill them here. Okay. Everybody got that? Relay schedule? Okay. The first thing we're going to start is in the mechanical equipment. Do you guys see the mechanical equipment that you did with CAD? Let me go open these mechanical equipment, show you where you need to be. Let's go back to here, under instructor folder, guys. You have the mechanical equipment. You don't have to open them, but be aware that under the instructor folder we have the mechanical equipment. I'm going to go directly into here. Oh boy, under design development or narrative, under my narrative. So in order to fill the mechanical schedule, guys, you must, not need, to be right here in 2.5. Everybody understand where we are? That's the narrative that I give you guys. This is where the information about mechanical schedule is coming from. 2.5, everybody's good with that? Okay. I'm going to read the first one. It says, air handling unit located in electrical mechanical room 116. Can you guys see that? It's 15 horsepower. It's 208, three-phase. Division 26, that's electrical. Division 26, which is electrical, to provide VFD for the unit C cut sheet. Did you guys see that information need to be translated now? Okay. And they're going to go step by step in each one of these items. Okay, so we got that one. Let's go directly into Revit, into CAD. Okay. Now, air handling unit. Can you guys click on that one? It's air handling unit. There is no R1 on it, so I'm going to go air handling unit, make it just 1. So air handling unit 1. I double click on the attributes. Can you see what I did? And I named it air handling unit 1. The name of this piece of equipment is air handling unit, right? I don't need to change it. The voltage, look at the voltage. The voltage is wrong. I need to make this one, what is it? 208. It's a 208 volt. Click on it. The horsepower, what was the horsepower? 15, so this has to be 15. KVA. Now, Karen, if you have the horsepower, ignore the KVA. We don't need the KVA, okay? No KVA. Full load amp. The full load amp from the NEC code book, guys, for this, you have to go to the NEC code book or the calculator that you have, that I give you. So I have 208 voltage system. It's a three-phase, and it's a 15 horsepower. Where's my horsepower? Horsepower. And my amp is 46.2. 46.2. So 46.2. Did I do it right? 46.2. You guys gonna go to 430 table 250 and find the full load current from the NEC code book. Okay. If you have the calculator that I gave you, that we did, you can easily find this information. I have to use the calculator for the ease of, here's my calculator, except if you guys have your calculator, you can follow with me very easily, medium. So make sure it's set your calculation at 75. Now it's set at three-phase 75. I have a 208 voltage system. Here's my 208 volt. It's a 15 horsepower. Here's my 15. Here's my horsepower. My full load amp is 46.2. Cool? Otherwise, you're going to go to Article 430, table 250. 250 should be. Let me see. If you click again on that, should get you what the table is. Oops. All right, I screwed it up now. So let me see what the 50. Click on it again. Doesn't give you much. Okay, so here's your here's what the information that you need from this. Okay, so 430 tables at the end. 250, yep, 250. Everybody knows how to use 250 to find the full load current. I hope by now, guys. We did a lot of these. Okay, I'm going to go minimize this one, put it right here. Now, next, this is my full load. Next, let's go. it says disconnect by disconnect size. Division 26 instead of 16. That's electrical. The disconnect size, guys, when you size the disconnect for a motor, you take this 46.2 and multiply by 1.25 times 1.15. So that will give you 53. You need this book. So you multiply this by 1.15 like we did for disconnects. That will get you guys, in this case, that will get me, there you go, where's my calculator? So if I grab that, multiply this number times 1.15 equal. So I get 53.13. Your next standard, the disconnects are 30, 60, 100, and multiples of 100 from here. So what's the next standard? 53, 60. So my next standard disconnect is going to be what? 6 size is going to be 60. Okay, everybody's okay with this? That's this one. Okay, now next, disconnect type. For where it says disconnect type is non-fused. Unless they say fused, guys, it's non-fused. Disconnect location. What was the room? Where's that? This is air handling unit. Room 116. Is it one room? So it's going to be R116. Room 16. Okay, starter by, who's providing the starter is going to be 26, us. Division 26 is us, electrical. Starter size, do you guys remember they say VFD? If it's VFD, just put VF and D. Don't mess with it. VFD. Starter type, also VFD. So the size and the type, just put it VFD. Starter location, what do you guys think the starter is going to be? Right where the equipment is going to be room 116. Now which division are those guys? Now control by, all the control, it's going to be by division 15, which is now division, can't remember. Is it 27? Let me see what the mechanical guys, what are they now? I keep forgetting. Okay, division 26. Division 26 is us. The mechanical guys are now 27. I think. No, not 27. I can't remember. Okay. Can you guys keep it 15? I'll give you another number, but when you change, I will give you another number when I check it. The control type, leave alone. Mechanical will do that. Control location, leave it alone. We're going to go all the way, guys, to conduit size and conductor size. Okay? Conduit size and conductor size. I'm going to go grab my calculator again. When you size conductors, close that one. When you size a conductor, remember the amp is 46.2. You have to multiply this by 1.25 and size your conductor from 310.15 B16. Or if you have this calculator, gentlemen, all what you have to do is hit set and wire size, and your conductor size is what? Number 6. So this is going to be a number 6. How many conductors? Always 3. For these equipment, always 3 phase. Okay? Conductor size is 6 conductors. Now, conduit size. Now the conduit, we're going to use EMT. Indoor EMT, anywhere else is going to be what? PVC. So we're going to go size the conduit for this. Let me show you how to size the conduit. Either use the calculator, or you're going to go back to how we sized conduit before. Now remember, this is indoor number 6. How to size it? So here's 6. Wire size, 6 of them. How many of them do I need? 3. For the air handling unit, I need 3. Here's 3. And what type of, it's indoor. So it's going to be THHN. So 3 conductors THHN. Here's what you get. And then conduit size, EMT is going to be 75.75. Either use a calculator, or you guys going to go do the conduit fill like we calculated the conduit fill. So this will be 3/4 basically. 3/4. And right next to it, please put EMT. Move it slightly. EMT. EMT. 3/4 EMT. Might have to move it slightly. 3/4 EMT. Okay, now circuit panel number. This is going to be coming from the main panel, so it's going to be MP. Circuit number. I'm going to go directly into my friend and to the Revit. You guys are going to go to the Revit. I'm going to go to the power. Where's my sections, lighting? Here's power. And I hope you circuit it, Matt. Power. And my air handling unit is right here. Click on the air handling unit, guys. And it's circuited. It says circuit 135. Did you guys see that? It's circuited with circuit 135. Everybody can see that? That's what Matt has circuited with. Everybody can see that? When you click on it, guys, it sees circuit number 135. So I'm going to go here and type 1-3-5. These are the circuit that we have, panel schedule. 135, it's 3-phase. Okay, everybody got that, guys? I'm going to get that one here. So main panel, 135. How do I know it's main panel? That's what we did in Revit. Overcurrent protection device, Adam. Now, the overcurrent protection devices, guys, is going to be all circuit breakers. All circuit breakers. So the multiplier is 1.25. So how we do that? Here's what you need to do. Go to the calculation that we did. So I'm going to go, here's my amp. Oops, I forgot my amp now. Let's go put this one again, 208 volt. And it's 15 horsepower. And the full load amp is 46.2. When you size overcurrent protection device for a motor, guys, from what you did with your friend Chad, you multiply this by times 2.5. This is what you get, 115.5. Did you guys hear me? 115.5. Your next standard overcurrent protection device is going to be what? You're going to go to 240.6, and your next standard overcurrent protection device is going to be in this case, 125. Or you can use the calculator. Clear this. You're going to, I believe, if you set an inverse type. Oops, wow. No. Here you go. Here's my amps. Set an inverse type. No, I think I screwed up here. So let me put one more 14 horsepower. Amp is 15, okay. And I need inverse type here. 115.5. The same calculation that I came up with. So my overcurrent protection device is going to be 125. So you're going to come over here, gentlemen, and you're going to click a 125. What type? It's inverse type circuit breaker. Leave it. Any notes here? If you want to add any notes, you can add the notes right here. Any comments, guys? Any questions about filling this schedule? You're going to take one step at a time. You have questions, ask me, always. Well, if you guys want to write yourself a note, very easy. When you're sizing, the overcurrent protection device is always 2.5. When you size the conductors, is 1.25. When you size the disconnect, it's going to be 1.15. These are the ones that you learned in the calculation with your friend Chad. So we're done with this equipment. Now, when you go to the next equipment, here's what I would like you guys to do. Click on, we're going to go copy them. So click on everything that you've done here. Just click, pick them up. Can you guys see that? Everything. Make sure you go pick each and every one of them so we can get them. Click on each and every one of them. See what I'm picking them up all the way. And I'm going to go copy them basically. Make sure you don't pick anything other than the text. Okay, did you guys pick the whole thing? Yep. Right click on it and copy. Make sure you copy with a paste point. Everybody can see where copy with a paste point. Very important. Then click the paste point, guys, right here, that corner here. That's your paste point. So it will be the text will be lined up. Then paste, and it will ask you where's the paste point that you're going to paste it right in here. Gentlemen, you have just an identical copy of what we have done before. So what do? Next, let me do one more with you guys, and then I'll let you go with that. Everybody copied the second line? Can you give me a thumbs up when we copied the second line? Good. One, Derek. When you guys are done, let me know. I'm gonna go do this one, Adam. Help you guys with this. Now next, I'm gonna do this. Can you guys see that? This one, condensing unit. Condensing unit. Let's read. It says located exterior on grade, adjacent to the mechanical room 116. The full load amp is 81.6. Unit rated total unit rated amp. 208 3-phase division 16 to provide fused disconnect adjacent to the unit. Do you see any control, anything else? That's it. Fused disconnect. That's all what we need to provide for this baby. And it's at 81.6 amps. 81.6 amps. Now it says C cut sheets, guys, for this particular one. So if I go, I don't think the cut sheets are in the back here. Because it says C cut sheets, if you go to the cut sheets, let me just show you a few things about the cut sheets that we have. Here's my cut sheets. Oh, come on. Take a few seconds to load. Come on, buddy. There you go. If you guys go all the way, you guys have access to the cut sheets. If you go all the way to the following, here's my air handling unit. Here's my condensing unit. Can you guys see the condensing unit? The condensing unit that we used is actually the one right above the one that we're highlighting. Can you guys see that? Here's my condensing unit. I want you guys to look at the full load amp was 81.6. You guys know that, right? The maximum fuse, can you guys see the maximum fuse is, what does it say? 110. And minimum circuit ampacity is 91 amps. Minimum circuit ampacity is 91 amps. Does everybody see that? Minimum circuit ampacity is 91 amps and maximum fuse is 110. So important when we size the condensing unit. All right, so let's go to the field here. I'm going to go, the first thing I'm going to call this is condensing unit. So I'm going to call it, click on it, condensing unit. It's still condensing unit number 1, guys. So condensing unit, name this one, condensing unit. So this is my condensing unit. The voltage is, why didn't I change? Oh, didn't I save this? I thought I did, non-fuse. I must have not saved these. This was 15 here, sorry. And this was, I thought I changed these to 208. 208. Chad sleeping. 208. Okay, so everything else we should be able to, yeah, we did that. Okay, now the voltage, guys, same thing is 208, 120. You use 208, 3-phase. Now there is no horsepower for this, right? So let's find the amp. What was the amp? The full 81.6. Thank you. And the kVA, I'm going to go type, guys, kVA here. Look what I'm going to do. Now this is, I'm going to go double click on this and just put dash here. Okay. And I'm going to go copy the amps. Copy. Oops. Click on, what did I say? 80. What did you say? 81. Thank you. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to go copy this, copy with the paste point, click on this corner and dump it right in here, paste, and put it right. Here's my point. So what I did, I had text under kVA. Now I need to go find the kVA of this piece of equipment, the kVA of um, this piece of equipment. So what I would like to do, guys, take 81.6. Here's what you're gonna do. Where's my calculator, Chad? Take 81.6, multiply it by 208, multiply it by 1.73 equal, divided by 1,000 basically. Did I do a mistake here? It can't be. One more time. What did you come up? 30 kVA. Let's just verify it. 81.6 multiplied by 208 times 1.73 equal. Divide this by 1 to 1,000 basically. 1,000. There you go. 29.4. 29.4. Can you guys see that? That's your kVA. So I'm going to come right here, gentlemen, and make this one 21. What do you say? 29.4 kVA. The full load amp is already there. Now let's go to disconnect by division 16. How do you size your disconnect? You're going to take this number 81.6 multiplied by 1.25. So can you guys do that? 81.6 times 1.15. I came up with 93.8. So the next standard disconnect would be what? 100. Did you know? See what I did, guys? I multiplied the 81.6 times 1.15 and came up with 93.8, and the next standard is going to be 100. Okay, it says non-fused, but you guys remember it said fused, so just get rid of the non, because it is a fuse. It's a fused. Okay, now where is it located? Non-fused. So it says room 116 outside R116, just outside R116. So we know it's adjacent to outside R116 because that's what it says. Okay. Now starter by, we have no idea who the starter is. What the heck is those mechanical guys? Where are they? Let me go find what the mechanical. I know I have him somewhere here. Mechanical guys. Okay. Okay, where did I put it, Chad? CDM spec. Here you go, spec. Specification. I have a spec master that tells you where those guys. Here you go, CSI specification. Division. Okay, there you go. Where's the division and what's not? Can you guys see? Here's electrical. Electrical 26, mechanical guys, HVAC. Where the heck did they put them? Plumbing, HVAC. Can you guys see 23? Everybody can see. It's division heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. Division 23. They put them at 23. So minimize this. Minimize this, gentlemen. Can you guys put 23 and 20? This is 23, meaning 23 is going to provide it. Remember, and dash this. I don't know who's going to do that. And typically, we're not providing it. And we don't care where it's located. Typically, we know, but it's not our job, basically. Put two dashes, will you? Let's standardize on 2 dashes instead of 1, 3. Okay, why did I do that? Because division, it doesn't say that we have to provide VFD. So that's the mechanical guys are going to provide VFD. Okay, so we got these guys. Let's go to one more time to starter, same thing. Instead of division 15, can you guys change this one again to division, what did we say? 23. Also the top right above it, make sure it's also division 23. Those guys are the guys who are providing it.
Do you want us to change the starter 23 to them instead of having it under electrical?
I said for,
Just put a condenser.
yeah, for the condensing unit. Okay, so here's my starter. Control, the mechanical guys will do it. Let's go all the way to the conduit guys and the wire. The conduit and the wire. Okay, now, what was the minimum circuit ampacity for the cut sheets? For this one, guys, you need to do a minimum circuit ampacity right here. It says minimum circuit ampacity 91. Okay, so let's go size a conductor for 91 amps. Here you go. Here's a calculator. You guys will do that. Here's 91. I have 75. It looks like I'm sitting at 75 amp and wire size. Number 3. Either use a calculator or you're going to go to Atom 75 column, 75-degree column, 310.15B16 and size the conductor. It's number 3. So this is a number 3, gentlemen. So I'm going to go right here. Number 3. Number 3. What type of conduit? We're outdoor. This is an outdoor equipment. So when we're outdoor, you guys remember what we're going to be using? Every time you go outdoor, what are we using? We're going to use PVC. PVC, because we're outdoor. What size? What size? Let's go size it, shall we? Where did my calculator go? Here's my calculator. I'm going to go size it. You guys know how to use Annex C and the calculation. You can do by hand. If you have your calculator, you're good to go. What did we see the size of the conductor, Adam? Number 3. Okay, here's how you size it. You put 3 wire size. How many of them? I need 3. Since they are outdoor, Karen, they have to be THHW. Okay. And then the conduit type that I'm using is PVC. So that will get me PVC schedule. Let's use PVC schedule 80. 9. So I have to hit 9 and conduit size. Oops. Why did I do that? Okay, I must have clicked on something different. Let's do it one more time. Clear, clear, clear. 3. Wire size 3. Oops, not 3, Chad. Clear, clear, clear. Here's a 6. Wire size, 6 wire size. You guys have to do it by calculation by hand if you don't have this. I have 3 conductors. THHN, yep. And then I need a conduit size. It says 75 EMT, but I don't need EMT. I need PVC. So you hit 9. I thought 9 and conduit size. No, 9 set conduit size, I thought. 9 set conduit size. Here you go, PVC. You need 1 inch. 1 inch for PVC, so schedule 80. So that's gonna get you, you go right here, gentlemen, and you're gonna change this baby into what? 1 inch. Okay? Now we're gonna go to, it's from the mechanical panel. What was the circuit for this condensing unit? Let me go.
It's 2, 4, and 6.
2, 4, and 6. Okay, thank you. He put it at 2, 4, and 6. You guys have to check that one. T4 and 6. Of course, yours will be different. 4 and 6. These are for panel schedule. The overcam protection device. Do you remember what we said? 110. They say already 110. No calculation needed. 110. And what type? We're going to be using circuit breaker in our panel. Done. Any comments, guys? Any questions? This calculation here will summarize everything that you guys learned with me in the fall as well as in the spring, doing the calculation for the schedule. That's why we guys did all the motor calculation and what's not. I know it's a lot of information. That's what engineers do. When you guys are stuck here, you're going to ask Chad, hey, I forgot how to do the heaters disconnect, Chad, which is continuous load 1.25. Motors, all your motors, Karen, are exactly like I did. HVAC equipment, exactly like a condensing unit. If it's heaters, 1.25 for everything. So any comments, guys? Any questions? So that's, you're going to fill this one. So that's basically what you're going to fill. When you're done, we're going to export it back to Revit and put it in Revit. But there's some stuff to be done here, guys. Please, when you reach a type of load, let me show you the loads that we have here. For example, we did a motor, so gas boiler, look at the gas boiler. This is nothing. This is just a 120, no control, nothing for this. All the pumps, exactly like the air handling unit. All these pumps, like handling cabinet unit heaters, continuous load, 1.25 for everything, from the conductor to the overcome protection device to the disconnect and what's not. All the heaters. Exhaust fans, like the air handling unit, exactly like with the air handling unit. That's it. Server, that Mr. Server here, that server is like the condensing unit. Any comments, guys, about filling this information for the so-called mechanical schedule? It's time consuming, so you guys we're gonna fill it this time for this project, and we will be filling it for next project. So you guys get used to the same schedule. If we are smart enough in Revit, this should be generated directly from Revit if you fill all the information and assign the conduits and what's not. For the time being, you're going to use the schedule from CAD, import it in Revit. Okay, so that's basically the mechanical schedule. Can you guys give me a thumbs up, Chad? We know at least how to start that and start working on it? Yes? No? Good? Okay. The last schedule I'm going to do, and that will take you some time, guys. And please, Matt, as you go through the schedule, guys, I have the schedule already done here, but I would like you to get through the exercise of doing it. Verify what they have done here. And if you're confused with this type of load, what type of controller, Chad, if it doesn't say controller, you're going to dash it, which we're not providing the control. Okay. The last thing I want to do, guys, is lighting schedule, right? We did equipment, we did relay. We're going to do lighting schedule. For lighting schedule, yes, sir.
What's the schedule that I didn't print?
That's panel schedule.
So we also did.
We did mechanical equipment there. Yes, we duplicated. You are absolutely right. You're absolutely right. The only thing we added here, Adam, the panel schedule in Revit gave you only this information. Only this, right? The panel, the circuit. It did not give you a whole lot. Actually, when you size it, it should give you the panel schedule, the conductor size, as well as the overcome protection device. But it doesn't say anything about the control, the conduit. So this adds to it. I know it's duplicate, but that's the only way you can do it. And you have to provide a mechanical schedule for the mechanic. That mechanical schedule will be shared with the mechanical contractors, so they know what the responsibility is and what our responsibility as electrical engineers is. So it's so important, guys, because it ties the mechanical part to the electrical part. It is duplicate. You're absolutely right. So as you do the schedule, you can go to your panel schedule and get some information directly from panel schedule if you finished it. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna go, guys, close this one and save it. And I would like to go to my mechanical schedule now. For mechanical schedule, I'm gonna go directly into where are we here? Second year. Adam, I'm gonna go use your team too. Okay, go to exterior, go to your team folder, guys, and go to the exterior lighting. This is visual. Open visual, interior or exterior. Well, let's do interior first. Ouch. We're gonna do both of them, but I want to close this. Let's do the interior, because it has a lot of stuff. Interior, the floor plan, Excel that you guys have done with Chad. Okay. Everybody's good with that? When you open it, give me a thumbs up, will you? That's very easy. There is no work here involved. Nothing. You're going to find it's just a piece of cake. When it loads, okay. I need thumbs up when it loads, so we can, good. Matt, loading yourself? Okay. Adam, still loading? Good, okay. Now remember, you're going to do that for the interior and the exterior. I'm going to do the exterior with you. Go File, Print Editor, click on Print Editor. So now you are in Print Editor mode. Are you guys there? Print Editor here. You guys remember that? You are in Print Editor mode. We need to, so we have, you guys have a sheet like this. You're going to be printing sheet like this for me. Do you see where it says Luminaire schedule here? Click on Luminaire schedule. Now you're holding your Luminaire schedule in your hand and click that Luminaire right in here. That's my Luminaire schedule. Oh, interesting. No, I need all of them. Okay, so you can, it looks like you can expand it. That's so here's my Luminaire schedule that I need to explore. Okay, can I scale that baby? So expand it, guys. Make sure you expand it. I want to expand it as much as I could so I can get all of them. Interesting. What's the pages here? That's they changed the format on your friend Chad. Okay. A printer 11 by 17 page property. Okay, here's my page. Okay, here's the schedule that we need to import, but I want to make sure that we have all of it though. Well, it's a long, I don't know if I can scale it. Anybody can see scale, guys? Oh dear. Okay. So if we can get in here, we can export it. I hate that. Okay. This is new, guys, in this version, so it confused your friend Chad as much. So we need to find a way.
Go to the bottom, make it smaller again, and there's a little thing that says rows, and you can pull it down.
Here.
So I'll zoom in a little bit. Yeah, right there. And drag that down.
Thank you. That's what I was looking for. I knew there gotta be something. Don't worry about fitting it in the page for the time being. Here you go. Thank you. All what I need.
I clicked on properties, and there's a little thing you can scale it.
Okay. Click on the property. Where's your scale?
At the top now. Seventh one down.
Scale. Thank you. So let's go. Well, we need eventually to scale. Let's go 0.5 and see what we get out of that boy. There you go. 0.5 got me to fit. Thank you. You have extra credit, buddy. Okay, thank you. Again, I apologize. It's new format. So here you go. Everybody get that one, guys? Click on it. If you double click on it, you expand that one. Okay. Page property, and we got the text, we got the size, and what's not. Okay, everybody was able to scale it in, guys. Good. When you're done with this, all what you have to do now, file, export, and export to CAD 2008. I don't know what other options that you have. That's the latest, CAD 2008. Call it lighting, floor plan dash lighting schedule. So you know it's lighting schedule. And go to your team folder, gentlemen. ECDM. This is Adam. I'm gonna go. Are you working on it, Adam, or am I in it? Okay, not big deal. I can put it. Otherwise, I can put it for you. Team 2, commercial project. I'm going to go put it under CAD, guys. Everything that you do under CAD, put it under CAD. You know what? This is lighting. Let's go put it under lighting. It makes it better under lighting calculation. See, floor plan lighting schedule, and hit save. Now, take all the layers with you, and off it goes. Now you have it in CAD. Did you guys hear me? Now you have it in CAD. Everybody got that? Now you got it in CAD. Now let's go minimize this and go, guys, to the exterior. I'm going to go open the exterior. Let's do the same thing. Exterior. Here's my exterior. I'm going to go file. Print editor. You guys will do a lot of work in the print editor. The schedule is already here. Seems statistics, I don't want the statistic. Here's my schedule. Can you guys see that? If you don't, click on the schedule here. It should drop you a schedule. You made 2 schedules, get rid of it. Here's my schedule. This is, we're lucky because this one is not a whole lot in it. So you don't have to worry about scaling it. You don't have to worry about scaling it. Okay, everybody's there? Now let's go File, Export. We're going to go same thing, exterior dash lighting. Schedule. And make sure you shoot yourself all the way to the network. And Team 2, commercial, under lighting. And put it right under lighting. Okay, can I have thumbs up, chat? That's what we did. Yes, no, everybody's good. Now all your schedules are there. All your schedules are there. If you have to modify anything from now on, guys, you have to go modify, export again. If you modified anything in visual. So do me a favor, after, now these are your schedule. Let's go open them, guys, in CAD. I want to go to atoms here, and I want to go to lighting. So go to lighting calculation. Let's go export, the heck is that, images. Okay, these are fixtures. Let's go, guys, and export, look at interior, shall we? A floor plan, lighting, a schedule. Open that one. Continue. Okay. Okay, here's your schedule. Can you guys see your schedule? Everybody can see it? Now, I don't care about the background, so go delete the background because we don't care about this. So delete that. The only thing you care about is the schedule itself. Now you can manipulate the schedule, put it in a different layer, work with it. One thing I would like you guys to do when you're here, you're ready to export to Revit now. If you did all your lighting calculation right, you shall not need to do anything here. Okay. Now, since we have 2 schedules, Adam, one coming from the interior, one from the exterior, we need to merge them. We need to merge these. So stay here, guys. Minimize it, and let's go open the exterior. I'm going to go open the exterior, show you the easy way to do them. Continue. Open exterior so we can merge the 2 together. Did you guys hear me? I'm going to go open exterior so I can put the 2 schedules in one and import it to Revit and call it ID. We don't want to have exterior interior scheduled. It sounds like 2 projects. So while the interior is open, also open the exterior, shall we? All what I have to do is just going to go copy paste, and you guys will massage it to fit in a second here. And that will be your schedules. I don't want to go to the panel schedule at this time, guys. We'll do the panel schedules if you're done with these individually, or we'll do them tomorrow after the test. So let me just, why it's not taking that long here? Are you holding my traffic here? There you go. Oops, what did I open? Exterior lighting. Dashed. No, we don't want exterior lighting. Cancel. Okay, sorry. Bad file. Exterior lighting, I need exterior lighting schedule. That's why. I'll continue. Are you guys open? Everybody's stuff is good? Okay, now go there. I'm in. Go delete the panel, the sheet that came with it. I guess probably we could have deleted it. Now we have an exterior schedule like this. Can I have thumbs up, Chad, when you have it? You're not loading?
No, like my visual, for whatever reason, won't let me make changes to it. Mine's just freaking out.
Okay, give me a second here. If you can just follow up with me, don't worry.
Yeah, I mean.
We'll get you there. Now, Adam, look what you did. You have an AB here. When you guys open this, I would like you guys to go highlight that baby. Right click, copy to a clip with a paste point. Copy with a paste point. And I would like you to copy it with this paste point here. Then minimize it. Oops. Minimize. Now let's go to the other schedule, the main one. And I'm going to go paste it right here, guys. Paste, paste. And do you see the paste? Now look how they're not scaled appropriately. So you're going to grab them here, gentlemen. See, Adam? These are the two schedules. Now, first, you need to scale them to fit. Second, do you see here's a fixture AB? And also, what do you think Adam is having here? A fixture AB. That shouldn't happen. Did you guys hear me? So now, Adam has a fixture AB for the interior. And also, he has a fixture AB for the exterior. And I know you did in Revit, you fixed that one. You're going to go to Revit, and these should be LMNOP. This should be fixture P, LMP, Q, PQ, to follow up with the alphabets, and scale it. You guys know how to scale it, right? Scale it to match here and stick it at the bottom. So you come over here and you're going to scale that. You might have to do a couple of times. I don't know, scale it. Looks like, there you go. I might have to do it a couple of times when you move it, guys, and delete the stuff here, the labels and what's not. So what I would do first, so you need to marry these guys, scale them, and attach them at the bottom. There's multiple ways of doing this. I don't know if we can, when we scale them appropriately. So then I can move it. Right click here and move. And then you can put it right in here. So kind of closer to each other. Am I off a little bit? I'm off. I don't know. Yours, Adam, the schedule brought these. So the second one did not. So what I would do is you can go delete these. You don't need the pattern here. So you can go delete the pattern that you did here, whatever that is, the distribution pattern. There you go. So either by cleaning it, you can click on the whole area here, the whole box here. You don't need it. You know what I mean? So you can, long story short, you guys want to marry these two together. Can you see that? Add these two fixtures at the bottom. Delete the labels. These labels have to be deleted here. Because they're already at the top. Manufacturer, what's not. Luminaires. Okay, here you go. All these are deleted. And then all what you need to do is copy and get rid of the Luminaire schedule, because these are, and marry them together. And after you're done, so this will be, what is that? P, Q. This will be Q, or whatever you did, Adam. Q. Okay, so see what I mean? Follow up with the naming. Marry them, put them in. Trim these at the top, guys. You can go trim them and delete the stuff that you need to. You might have to do some trimming and what's not. Be careful, so make it, you don't want to alter what, so you alter it and attach it at the bottom, and that's your lighting schedule. Then you export it back to Revit. Make sure you save this. Again, if your schedule has these distribution pattern, typically we don't do that one, but either you can, if you are to continue, then you have to go back into visual and add these distribution pattern for these for the second file, so make them look alike. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Any comments? Any questions? Is that enough to get you up and running? Again, the devil is in the details. But so what we did, guys, we did relay schedule, mechanical schedule, and lighting schedule. When you're done with these, we're going to export them into Revit like we have done with everything else under the right drafting view. And then they are already dropped into the right sheet, and off it goes. Done. This should be done by Friday this week, guys. So the last thing I don't want to do it now. I will do it tomorrow after the test, is just show you how to do, if you want, I can. I think it's enough for you guys today. Work on these. Tomorrow I will show you how to do circuiting, panel schedule circuiting. And we'll go, it shouldn't take more than 15 minutes, panel schedule. Any comments, guys? Any question? Is this enough to get you guys up and running? I will remind you guys, you're doing a whole project by yourself. If it's overwhelming, it is. It's a lot of stuff. But that's how you become valuable to your employer. You can do lighting, you can do circuiting, you can do panel schedule. When you go to Mishad Kohli or Halberg, they stick you in one niche and make it easier, actually. So I know it's hard, it's a lot of stuff, and I understand. If you guys to get A with me in this project, that's what you need. If you want your C, you can do as well as you as long as you submit things to get your C, you got your C. So, but I hope you're shooting for an A, right? I don't think I ever given more than a B in the project. Okay, gentlemen, ladies. Karen, is this enough to get you guys up and running? If you need to scale it, I can work with you individual to scale it and clean. It's just a CAD issue. You need to go cut these, see these lines. You have to trim these lines, attach them at the top and what's not. We could have made it easy and have two schedules inside outs, but that's easy. Make it a little bit harder. Okay, I'm going to go save this one for you, Aram, and you'll take it from there. Save all of them. Ultimately, guys, the one that you need before you do, the one that you need to rename, say, you see where it says, oops, not exterior. I need the one that says interior schedule. Where's exterior, interior schedule, plan view, lighting schedule. You need to rename this one so you know, and put dash E9. So you know this is going into E9. Can you guys see that? Floor plan lighting schedule. This actually will have the exterior as well, and put next to it E9. That's the one that you're going to carry into Revit, because it will have both of them. If you want to go there and change them interior, exterior, or plan view and exterior for you, so you know it is, that's fine. Wow, all these came with it. Good grief, Adam. All these pictures came with it. Okay. Any comments, guys? Any question? For the alternative plan, the ones who did the alternative plan, you don't have to worry about that because we have already the fixture that we use is already in the schedule. So you don't worry too much about the schedule. It's already in the schedule. We use the same fixture that was in the schedule. Any comments, guys? Any questions? Any comments, questions about that? That's enough to get you the scheduling. Now, keep in mind, we have only 3 weeks left for this project, guys, to ramp it up. If you submit everything, but all these schedules by Friday, you're good to go. You're on track. Otherwise, we'll be behind. So, cool. That's all I have for you. All these are right here. You guys can look at them at any time, too. Get confused. A lot of information. I'm here. Ask me at any time. And you can ask me the same question 5 times. Not a big deal. Okay, thank you.